going on YouTube? I know it's been a minute. I know y'all been looking for me, but I definitely got some new content for you. So today I'm actually going to show you guys how I, pretty much remove images and, other unwanted things in the photo. So I just had a recent shoot where her child was actually in the photo the entire time, during the entire shoot, and I'm not mad at it at all. So, because I know I can get rid of it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would do it, and, follow along if you like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. So here we go. All right, y'all. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. I think it's your quick selection tool. And then you're gonna make sure it's on this plus sign right here. And what you wanna do is you wanna just go ahead and outline whatever it is you're trying to get rid of. So in this instance, it's her child. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna zoom in just to make sure it got every piece of what I'm trying to get rid of. Don't worry if you miss or mess up, we're gonna fix that in a sec. But you just wanna make sure it got a pretty good selection of them. All right, so what you wanna do now is you wanna come over here to this little minus part. So what you're gonna do now is just take away the parts that you want to leave in. So I don't want to get any of the background. I'm gonna leave in the jeans right here because really I just want to get rid of him, not necessarily the jeans, because they make up the fit. I don't want to get the stepping stool she's on, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out. All right, that looks good to me. So from there, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to my clone stamp tool. I'm gonna make sure my hardness is on 100%, my opacity is at 100, and my flow is at 37. Numbers really don't matter, but you really just wanna make sure your hardness is set pretty high and your opacity is set pretty high. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually click over here where the blue jeans are at, and I'm just gonna paint over him. Don't worry if you miss or mess up, like, we're gonna get it right. So all I'm doing is just picking points and then just pretty much just painting over him, getting rid of him. Sometimes it does miss, so. All right, so from there, I'm pretty much good with that. So I'm gonna hit Command D, and what that does is it deselects everything. Now I'm gonna do it one more time, except this time I'm going to I'm gonna take my hardness down to 0, and I'm gonna hit it again. So what we're doing now is we're just blending it out to make everything look uniform, and like it was already there before, like he was never there. I'm gonna zoom in up here, and I'm gonna just paint in there as well. All right. Now at this point, he's pretty much gone for the most part. If people didn't know it was there, you wouldn't even be able to tell, but you can definitely go in here and fine tune things. Like right here, just to get rid of his dread. I'm gonna clone stamp it out. Something like that. And then if that was still bothering me, I would just select some more of the blue jeans and then just eliminate this line. For the most part, that would be it. So that would be the quick tutorial. That's a quick way to do it. Again, it depends on how much time you want to put in there, and in case you mess up, you can just erase the history, or you can just erase the whole thing together. But that's a quick way. That's how I would do it. This is how I am going to do it. I may go in a little later and blend this out a little bit better so you can't really tell that I clone stamped it, but for the most part, that's how you do it.